Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hello everyone, Henrique here from The Machine Must Work. Today we're going to take a quick look at our new plugin, ThumbsUp for Photoshop. It lets you prepare images for distribution in a single click. So let me show you how easy it is. If we go in here, I have some presets that I have already created. I can select the file types that I want to save to. I can select an output folder. And if I want to keep the Photoshop document open or not after it's created. In that case, let's go ahead, let's hit create. It's going to run through those 4 presets and create the documents for me. When I go back to my original, this was the original. I now have a 1080 by 1080 crop with an action applied on top for color correction. I have another one for a vertical crop for Instagram that I created. I have one for YouTube with a different color correction. And I also have another one for Facebook where I put some overlays on top. Now let me show you how easy it is to set this up. If I go into my overlays here, I can name my overlay. I can select an image. I can choose the dimensions that I want. So let's go with 250 by 250, make it pixels. Here I can choose how I want to offset it from the document. So I'm gonna go with 50 and 50. Let's go also in pixels and let's go to the bottom right corner here. And I can hit save. It's created the overlay for me. I can go in the presets now. I can have a Facebook, for example, that I want to name it Facebook TMMW. I can choose again 1080, 1080. I can name it with the document name, then an underscore TMMW and another underscore, and then I'm gonna add the full date at the end. I can select an action to apply, so I'm gonna go with this one. I can also select the overlay that I just created and I can hit save. So I have my preset created now. When I go in the create tab, we can now go back to the original document, select the presets that we created and remove the ones we already saw. Hit create. It's going to create a new document, crop it, place the overlay and save it as a JPEG. If I now go to the folder where I was saving all these to, I have my original here. I have the crop for Facebook that I did before, this one for Facebook but with overlays, another one for Instagram with some color correction on top, one for YouTube with also some color correction on top, and then this latest one that we created that also played an action and added an overlay. Let's go back. That's it, that's how easy it is. I hope you enjoyed it. To get ThumbsUp for Photoshop, you can go to the Creative Cloud desktop app, look for ThumbsUp for Photoshop and get it there. Thanks for watching.